Could be the last day of harvesting here. We're on the last section that has the strips planted. We got this right here that we cut on last night before the weather came in. It doesn't look like that we got any rain or anything. And then we got 3 more strips that way. So we're hoping to get this done today, be done for the year, I guess. So that's the goal. It's 9:20 right now. We're just getting started. Didn't get any rain, just some sprinkles last night. Looks pretty dry, so we're gonna give her the beans.
We are cutting again. It's 10 o'clock. We missed the rain that we thought we were gonna hit with, so we decided to fire them up. Try to get as much as we can done today. If we have a good day, we should finish. If not, hopefully it doesn't rain and tomorrow we'll get her done. Finishing up the strip that we started on last night. Jason is taking in a truckload. We're gonna see what the moisture is, and then we're gonna see if we should bin it or just keep on going to the elevator until the moisture is good. The farmer didn't really care. He said if it's dry enough, he'll bin it. If not, just cut it. We'll figure it out from there. So that's what we're gonna do today. We have 300 or so acres left starting today, so we'll see how far we get.
We're cutting on the last 80 now. It's less than 80 because like one of the corner has some stuff in it, and then there's like a Quonset building in it. But we're on the last one, and we just got moved over from the one before. So this is our last 80 on this half section, or like the full section, but half section that's planted-ish. But we do have some weather moving in over here. So hopefully we can avoid that weather over there. It looks like it's kind of raining over there, but who knows. So we're hoping we can avoid that. But right now we are just cutting along here on this 80-ish acres, probably like 75.
Alright, we jumped over to our last 80 acres here. The sky looks a little sketchy, but we're gonna try and get her done. We just need like another hour and a half or so probably. It's supposed to rain in the next 30 minutes, so we're gonna be cutting it close once it. We're still cutting, getting really close to getting done, but it's also getting really close to rain. We just need a little bit longer, we'll get done, but we'll see if we get that. I'll show you how much we got left here. We got like that much left. That's what it's looking like. Behind us it looks even worse. I think it's moving towards the north, but out here I learned that it could switch at any time, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen.
Just cutting the last strip right here of Harvest 2025. About got her all done. It's a little rough. There it is. Finished it up. Last little bit of wheat. That's all she wrote. So we finished Wheat Harvest 2025. Cut quite a few acres in Oklahoma, Kansas, Colorado, and Wyoming. Feels good to be done. It's kind of sad to be done, but it feels good. I'm glad we're done, but I wish we had like 700 more acres. You know, it's enjoy the crap out of it. You don't get to do it for another 10 months or so, but glad we got done. Feels good to have everything cut and get the machines back to Kansas, back to the house, and get working on them for fall crop stuff.
Just dumped the last load of the Wheat Harvest 2025. kind of feels weird, but it always feels weird when you get done cutting weed after you've been doing it. I think we're over, like it's a month and a half right now. And I know people do it longer, but whenever it's done, it just feels weird. I'm gonna blow off the combines here. We're gonna get the headers taken off. We're gonna get everything back to the farmer's house where our trailers are. We're gonna probably start getting things ready to roll for going back home. Start fueling the trucks up. We might load tonight, I don't know, or we're just gonna wait till tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday, so I don't know if we want to take that long trek back on a Sunday, but we might try it or make it a little ways and call her good. We'll see though. It's good to be done cutting weed. We don't have to worry about the weather, because if we would have been here, I think tomorrow's clear, and then Monday through, I don't know how much, I want to say Monday through Friday next week is just supposed to rain. So. Alright, well, we just got done cutting and it starts raining on us. I was blowing off the machines. I got one side done and it started raining pretty good, so. Fucked it. Oh, you chain it on, tow her back like that.
Luke, just leave. Load both combines up, Luke. Just take.
Just got everything ready to go. We loaded yesterday, and now we're leaving. We left about 6:07, somewhere in there, and it's 6:15. So we just barely getting on the road. Goal is just to make it somewhere before it gets too hot. We don't really want to blow any tires or do anything like that. So our goal is to get somewhere before it gets too hot, so we don't have as many tire problems or other problems like stuff overheating and stuff like that. So we left about as early as we could, probably. What stinks is we're in mountain time, so it's 6 o'clock here, and it's 7 o'clock at home or where we're heading. So that kind of stinks, but because we're losing an hour. But we gained an hour when we came down here, so that was kind of nice too. So our goal is to try to make it as far as we can today and not have too many issues.
We're pretty close to home. I'm confident that if something would happen, we'd be able to get it figured out. Because like Dad said, we're standing by a fire with holding gasoline right now, because it's Sunday and it is 97 degrees and it's 6:15. So it's been a hot one today. We've had to stop multiple times just to let things cool down and stuff like that, get fuel, but we haven't had to stop for anything major. And hopefully these last like 15 miles or so, we don't have anything major happen to us. And if so, surely we'll be able to get it back into the shop. I think we're gonna unload tonight, get stuff ready, and me, Dad, and Jackson are gonna go back to Wyoming tomorrow. And then we're gonna settle up with the farmer, talk to him for a little bit, load equipment up, and then what day? That'd be tomorrow's Tuesday. Make the drive again. So, but then we'll have everything back and we'll start the cleaning process. Should be quite awesome. I don't know why, but I like cleaning before harvest, but after harvest I hate it. But it is what it is. It has to happen. I don't know, usually when we clean them, that means it's the end of it, so I probably don't enjoy that part of it.
got home last night, dropped the stuff off at the house, and got the stuff ready to go. We left this morning. It was pretty early. I'm not exactly sure what time we left early. And then we drove all the way down here to Wyoming, or I guess all the way up here to Wyoming. And then we got here, we loaded the combine, we got the trailer hooked up and everything. And now we settled up with the farmer, and now we're taking off. It's currently 4:14 Mountain Time, so we're just kind of hoping to get not too far, but just far enough that it won't be too bad of a drive tomorrow. I mean, we could have a tire blow and it take us forever either way. So anything we get's just a little bit extra today. But we're not trying to get too far or push it too hard, but we're just trying to get somewhere and stop for the night, stay the night, and then figure it out. So that's our game plan for right now. We're just now leaving the farmer's house, and it's 4:15. So.
All right. Well, we're rolling. I guess it's 7 o'clock because we just switched from Mountain Time to Central Time. We stayed at a place just on the border of Colorado and Nebraska, and we've been driving for about 15 minutes, and we're now in Kansas. So we've at least made it to Kansas. All our machinery is in Kansas now, but we still have a ways till we're home. So we're just gonna take her slow and get there when we get there.
Mama, take this man from me. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Hey, 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 yeah. Knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Hey, 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 hey. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door.
That's all I got for you.
We're gonna blow these off probably before we take them back to our Rogers. And what?
Son of a gun.
6:15 maybe. All right, sorry. Thank you guys for watching our videos. We really appreciate it. It's pretty awesome the support that we get. So thank you guys for watching the videos. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Gebhardt Harvesting. Oh, come on.